What's going on, guys? It's me again, and I'm back at it again with the parkour. Doing parkour backwards. Oh no! Oh, jeez, that was cool. Okay, anyway, why is it difficult? So, yeah, we're doing parkour. Let's do this. Oh, okay, never mind. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna do something really quick. Alright, guys, so I'm back. My sister, she was gonna join, but oh god, I just she was gonna join, but something really anyway, something is wrong with her Minecraft. Like it says like server is unable to be connected to or something like that, and now she can't even download Minecraft. So it says that are you yeah, my god, oh my. Oh, jeez. Oh, it's pretty fast. There's gonna be like a falling montage video or something. Oh my god. Jesus. Ooh. Auto jump. And keep going. Auto jump, auto jump, auto jump. What happened?
It's not letting me at all.
Oh god.
I can't believe anything.
I wanna say something. At the end of the water. Go. Oh, that was close. Right. Dang. Go. Get it. Ah. Go. Alright, we made it now. Okay. There's a cow. It's about to die. And we take your meat. What I mean. I don't know if I can actually fall off the world. No, I can't. Oh man. Okay, now I'm just gonna. No, before I die, I wanna eat this meat. I wanna eat this. Oh, I'm not hungry. Maybe I have to get food. I'm just gonna go check where that ends at. Okay, so there's a village over here. What's that? So once you finish, you fall down. I think you land in this water here. Yeah, you do. It's not usually this deep. So you have to land in here. I'm gonna go creative and see what's... Alright guys, so we're back in creative. And I just want to see what the heck this is. So then I'm gonna do this part of the parkour over here. So that's what it is. And you gotta jump all the way up. Keep going. Actually, I'm gonna do this. Alright. Ugh. Wait, I think I'm gonna sneeze. Oh god. Okay, never mind. I'm not gonna sneeze. Felt like it though. I hate when that happens. Oh shoot, I touched. Alright.
What book should I read?
What?
I'm gonna go to my library.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna read
Can you be quiet? I'm trying to make a video here.
Gary Godmother.
Be quiet. Don't do it. Alright guys, so I guess that's gonna be the end of this video for today. Hopefully you all enjoyed. Oops. I'm out of here. I really mean that. Okay. Alright. Anyway, hopefully y'all enjoyed. Please give a like and do consider subscribing to my channel. If you have any buddies, please tell them to subscribe to my channel. And I know it's been a while of not recording, but I've been busy. So yeah, hopefully you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.